We'll need about 2 to 3 small zucchinis, or if they're larger, just 2 will do. After peeling them, we should have about 1 kilogram left. That's our target. I recommend buying a bit more than a kilogram to be safe. Now let's grate our peeled zucchinis into a nice big ball. Next, we'll add a good tablespoon of salt. Just level it off at the top. Give that a good mix, then we'll let it sit for about half an hour. When the zucchinis release their water, don't worry about draining it. We'll just go ahead and add 3 whole eggs. Now pour in 200 milliliters of nice runny yogurt. Don't forget 10 grams of baking powder too. Mix everything together really well now. While our zucchinis were resting, I measured out 500 grams of flour. Let's add that in now and mix until fully combined. Once mixed, you can add a little black pepper if you like. And definitely don't skip the capful of vinegar. The vinegar helps because we're frying. It keeps them from soaking up too much oil. Our batter is now ready for cooking. Pour oil into the pan and heat it to a medium-high temperature. On my stove, that's about a 7 out of 9. Test if the oil's hot enough by dipping in a wet spoon handle. If you see little bubbles forming, it's perfectly ready. Now take a good ladleful of our zucchini mixture. Pour it right in the center, then gently spread it out. Trim off any messy edges. You can fry those separately as crispy bits. When you see that golden brown color on the bottom, carefully flip it over. Once both sides are beautifully golden, drain them on a clean kitchen towel. Then just repeat with the rest of the batter. If they're browning too quickly, just turn the heat down a bit. We don't want them burnt outside and raw in the middle. On the other hand, if they're cooking too slowly, increase the heat, because low heat will make them absorb too much oil.